Rising interest rates have reshaped the real estate landscape, leaving many traditional lenders hesitant and borrowers searching for new paths to capital. In this high-rate environment, private lending isn't just surviving, it's evolving. At venusventure.us, we believe the next generation of private lenders will thrive not by avoiding change, but by adapting to it. Even as a new company, we're positioning ourselves to meet this moment with agility, transparency, and smart capital strategies that work for both borrowers and investors. While conventional lenders tighten their guidelines, private lenders are filling the gap. Real estate investors still need short-term, flexible financing, especially for fix and flip, bridge, and value-add projects. The rise in interest rates doesn't eliminate opportunity. It reshapes it. Developers and flippers who can move fast and adapt will find motivated sellers, discounted assets, and less competition. That's where private lending steps in, offering capital quickly, even when banks won't. At venusventure.us, our focus is on real assets and strong fundamentals, not rigid formulas. If the deal makes sense, we move fast to make it happen. For years, cheap credit flooded the market. Today, borrowers face the reality of higher costs, but also more disciplined lending practices. Smart investors understand that it's not about chasing the lowest rate, but securing the right capital structure that keeps deals alive and profitable. Private lending, when structured properly, provides speed, certainty, and flexibility, the three advantages that matter most in a volatile rate environment. That's why experienced real estate operators increasingly turn to firms like venusventure.us to keep their projects moving. The future of private lending belongs to those who can combine experience with data. Loan decisions that once took weeks can now happen in hours, thanks to smarter underwriting tools and analytics that assess risk in real time. At venusventure.us, we're building our platform with this in mind. Our 48-hour underwriting goal isn't just about speed, it's about precision. Every loan goes through a rigorous analysis of LTV, ARV, borrower history, and local market trends to ensure capital is deployed intelligently. Higher interest rates have made traditional bonds and equities less predictable. As a result, investors are turning toward alternative asset classes, like real estate-backed private lending for consistent yield and collateral security. Funds like those managed by venusventure.us provide access to these opportunities, allowing accredited investors to participate in short-term, asset-backed lending strategies that balance risk and return more effectively than many traditional investments. We may be new, but our structure is designed with investor safety and clarity in mind: first-line protection, conservative underwriting, and tax-efficient pass-through returns. In a high-rate world, adaptability is everything. The private lenders who succeed will be those who emphasize speed with discipline, fast approvals without cutting corners, transparency with clear terms and honest communication, strong collateral meaning loans secured by real assets, not speculation, and tech-enabled efficiency using smart tools to make better decisions, faster. That's the foundation of how venusventure.us operates and how we're preparing for the lending landscape of the future. The high-rate economy is not a setback, it's a filter, one that rewards smart capital and strong execution. At venusventure.us, we see this as the beginning of a smarter era in private lending, where success comes from transparency, technology, and trust. We're not just keeping up with the market, we're building for where it's going.